Parks and Wildlife's Campground hosts volunteer in national parks around the state in a variety of roles associated with park and visitor management. A large part of their role is to welcome people to our parks, providing information and a smiling face. Usually based in an area for an extended period, Campground hosts have the opportunity to see Western Australia from a special perspective.
We saw camp hosts in the national parks that we'd been visited and what they were doing, and thought it was a good way to not only enjoy our bush and national parks, but to give something back to others to enjoy the environment as well.
All our national parks are fantastic.
And they're all different. They all have something different to offer, which is great. You know, you go to one park and you do different things there to what you would do at the next pit, and you meet a different variety of people. We've met people from Abu Dhabi, from America, from Canada, and also from Europe and all this. We get a lot of Europeans come to our national parks, and they seem to know more about our national parks than us West Australians do, which is always amazes me, that does, yes.
Probably this past year was my birthday, and I went out, took a camper out, and we got 3 big Spanish mackerel, and we filleted them, had about 30 kilos of fish, and we spread it around the camp, and then we got everybody to come together with their barbecues, and we barbecued Spanish mackerel, and the ladies all got together, put big salads on. We had this huge big party, impromptu party, and just really spoke of what it means to be a campground host, to be friendly, to welcome people, do kind things for them, and they never forget it.
We've lost a lot of weight. Some people might say we work too hard, but we put in what we feel we should put in, and we get a lot more in return for what we do.
We've also, with that, just getting out there and enjoying our national parks, the wildlife, the flora, everything, it's just been fantastic.
I think we'll be here indefinitely. I suppose health is the one that's always going to determine that, but we can see us doing this for many years to come.
Yes, it's definitely an experience that you won't forget. Just hosting and being able to show Australia to other people, especially people from overseas, has been just a fantastic time.